Today, we will talk about how to mine Bitcoin at home. Let's have a look at the details. You've heard of Bitcoin and you're ready to get your hands on some digital wealth. However, this may be easier said than done. Now, we will tell you 3 methods of mining Bitcoin. First method is setting up a Bitcoin wallet. Download a software or mobile wallet if you're just getting started. Software wallets are kept on your computer, while mobile wallets are apps that you install on your smartphone. Invest in a hardware wallet if you're serious about Bitcoin. Hardware wallets may set you back a couple of $100s but are considered more secure. Since they aren't connected to the internet, they aren't vulnerable to hackers. If you intend to keep your Bitcoin long-term, a hardware wallet is likely a worthwhile investment. Trezor and Ledger are 2 of the more popular hardware wallets available. Enable all security features on your wallet. Use 2-factor authentication to secure your account. When you log in, a code will be sent to you in a text message or email. You have to enter the code to access your account. This makes your account less vulnerable to hacking. The number 2 method is getting a cloud mining contract. First, you will have to decide which cloud mining service provider to use. There are a number of different cloud mining service providers available, some of which are better established than others. Each service charges different fees and has different contract packages available. Genesis, Hashflare, and Minex are some of the more popular cloud mining services. Now, pick a cloud mining contract package. While your contract is active, you get all the Bitcoin that is mined using that amount of mining power. Contracts typically last from 1 to 3 years, although some last longer. Prices vary anywhere from under $100 for smaller contracts to several $1,000s for larger contracts with more mining power, expressed as the hash rate. Now, the question that comes to your mind is, how can I withdraw? When you purchase your contract, your mining power goes to work for you immediately. As you earn Bitcoin, it will show up on your account at the cloud mining service. When you've accumulated enough, you can send it to your wallet. Now our number 3 method is using your own hardware. First, you will have to use an online mining calculator to calculate mining profitability. Playing with different setups on an online mining calculator can help you determine whether it's worth it to you to start mining. Buy ASIC miners and a power supply for your mining rig. An ASIC miner is an application-specific integrated circuit, ASIC, designed specifically to mine Bitcoin. Essentially, it's a computer chip that needs a power supply to run it. ASIC miners vary in price depending on their hashing power and their efficiency. Then, connect your power supply to your ASIC miner, then connect your miner to your router. Use an Ethernet cable to connect your miner. A wireless connection is not stable enough. After you've connected your hardware, you need to download software so you can mine Bitcoin. There are a number of different mining programs to choose from. 2 of the most popular are Miner and BF Miner. Join a mining pool. Mining pools are groups of miners that pool their hashing power to mine Bitcoin more quickly. A pool enables you to compete with massive mining conglomerates that have mining farms with tremendous hashing power. You don't need to pay anything up front to join a mining pool. Instead, the pool takes a percentage of the Bitcoin mined, typically between 1 and 2%. Once you've chosen your mining pool and set up a worker account, access your ASIC miner configuration screen and enter the IP address for your mining pool. Then enter the worker name and password you created for the mining pool. When you've entered this information, save your settings. As soon as you save your settings, your miner will start working in your mining pool. Transfer any Bitcoin you mine to your secure wallet. As you mine Bitcoin, it will show up in your mining pool account. Your mining pool may have a monthly or quarterly payout schedule, or you may be responsible for manually moving your Bitcoin from your account to your wallet.